During thunderstorms, there are much of dangers and harms that may happen. We give you two. When playing golf, you might get electrified. Same as when texting. During thunderstorms, you should stay inside the house to stay safe. We want your safety.